In a tweet sent out on Tuesday at 4:25 p.m. GMT, Joseph Young raised questions on the possible connection between the upsurge in the Bitcoin (BX) market and Bitfinex maintenance around the same time. According to the cryptocurrency author, Joseph Young, an attempt to place shorts on the exchange during the surge, hence wreaking havoc when the market reopens, could have been simply a coincidence. I think it was an attempt to place shorts on Bitfinex underwater, which would cause havoc when Bitfinex opens. Young on Twitter. However, the whole skepticism may all be mistaken as the exchange reopened a few hours later on Tuesday. Bitcoin (BX) spikes to new 2020 highs, hitting $Austin, one of the highest hourly returns on BX so far in the year. BX gained over $500 in less than an hour to trade at an intraday high of $US, which also marks a new 2020 high for the pioneer cryptocurrency. Image trading. Walking at the 4-hour charts, the price soared above the near-term resistance provided by the SMA 50 on the Bollinger Band (BBs), and bursting through the upper Bollinger Band to currently trade at averagely $, against the dollar on major exchanges. The spike in price is on the verge of forming a golden cross on the lower time frame charts as the bullish run looks set to continue in the near future. However, with Bitfinex going on maintenance around the same hour as the spike. You can read full post on CryptoFans News, link available in text below.